guys, it's Sage. Today I'm gonna show you how I got blue hair. Remember, bleaching can cause damage to your hair. It's important to perform a patch test before applying. Gather your supplies: hair bleach powder, developer 20 volume, mixing bowl, and brush. Plastic gloves and protective cape, foil paper, a timer, and old clothing. Read and follow the instructions on the bleach powder and developer packaging. Then prepare the mixer and put on your gloves. Section your hair and begin the application. Follow the recommended development time. Revive in the bleach instructions. Check progress. Check the color of your hair. Stand periodically to monitor the lightening process. Once your hair reaches the desired level of lightness, proceed to the sink and rinse out the bleach. This brand you just need to apply this color. And after 45 minutes, you're done. This is my look with the first application. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.